In this video, we're gonna take a look at Dealercenter CRM. Is this the best CRM for your business or not? So I have here a list with the pros and cons. So we're gonna take a look at them to see if this is the best CRM for you or not. So we're gonna start with the pros. All in one platform. So as you can see, we have CRM, DMS, and inventory. Strong lead management and finance tools, affordable pricing for small dealerships, and integrates with major marketing platforms. Now, the cons: interface can feel cluttered and outdated, learning curve for new users, mobile app performance is inconsistent, and occasional bugs and slow support response. Overall, Dealer Center CRM is a strong fit for independent dealerships needing a complete affordable solution, but it may not be ideal if you prioritize modern UX or fast tech support. So basically that's it for today's video, guys. I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.